Alae. I am Cyril Andal Jr., 25, from the center of the world's marine shorefish biodiversity, the city of Batangas. As a registered and licensed architect, I am currently an instructor at Batangas State University, also known as the National Engineering University, where I received my degree. Alongside being an event planner and coordinator, I was a former student leader, which helped me deal with different kinds of personalities that honed to be the person that I am today. I joined Mr. Tourism World Philippines 2024 with the intentions of encouraging other people to be a responsible traveler and to showcase my hometown. I would think that by competing in this pageant, I will have a greater platform to express my opinions and advocate for the changes I want to see in our community. So together, let's travel responsibly.